welcome back to the morning draw where we look for the draw on liquidity. I am the gray hair trader and I appreciate you coming back, man. Thank you, man. Let's get straight to it, man. Now, where can liquidity be found? Buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. Going to take buy side stops, sell side stops. That's what ICT teaches. That's what we look for. So, what are some of the first things? What we talked about yesterday, I think the overall goal for the week is buy side liquidity getting up above this external swing. That's what this line represents at 43.27. Also, this green rectangle is a weekly gap. But right now, as far as what I see immediately, this is where we are trading on the daily. This is a daily chart. This is a daily candle representing where the opening of the market opened back up at 6 p.m. yesterday and where we are right now. And the first thing I see these two blue lines. That is an indicator that shows us fair value gaps. First thing I see is this big, nice looking daily fair value gap right here. We got one right here, and we have a small one down in here. And so, where can liquidity be found? Like we talked about, buy side stops, sell side stops. You can find them in swing highs, swing lows, but we also can find them where? What does ICT says? Inside of gaps, and we're right here trading right above this gap. I think that's where today's draw is. That's what I'm looking for us to come down into at some point, getting down inside this daily gap. This is where I think the draw is for today. Now we also know that price can hit 50% of a gap, which is called consequent encroachment, and that can be a very sensitive area from what ICT teaches everyone to be a place that we could get a possible bounce from and be some kind of support to send it back in the other direction. Let's go ahead and mark that then, and we'll have that on the chart already ready to go. So that is what we see so far. Let me drop down to an hour chart. Let's see what we have. Remember, the blue rectangles represent those daily gaps. Let me just shorten these up a little bit, man. I hate when these rectangles be everywhere. Just put them on here for visual purposes at the moment. I'll be taking them off before I trade. So what's been going on, man, from a hourly standpoint overnight? Consolidation rules the nation. Consolidation rules the nation. And so what's the power of three, man? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? And so let me mark this consolidation because this where we are, this where we've been overnight. And just look how tight we are. We're just trading right inside of this area right here. I think this is the goal for today, to get down inside this daily gap. Now what happens once we get there, it will be interesting. You see, yesterday we were going up, but you see we didn't. This is Friday's high. We didn't go and get all that. We kind of just played around yesterday, man. It was only a 30 to 31 point move as far as how the market moved up and down all day yesterday, and that's not much, man. We normally been averaging around 50 points, somewhere around 40 something to 50, so we came up short of that. Last year, man, the ES was averaging around 100 points, 80 to 100 points. So I think the first immediate draw, I think what we could see, let's see some things that we could see. We could see a boom back up into this hour gap, some manipulation, get right above these swings, get a fake out, back down into this daily gap, boom. We could get right into the beginning of it, go up. That could be one play that we could do. We could do some situation like this, hit consequent encroachment, get back up, boom. That's another possibility. Or we could just come straight on down, close that, get down. You see this white line here and this white line here, that is the new week opening gap from last week. Could get down in that area and then just kind of, you know, just stop and then just chill out. So those are some things we could do. I mean, we also want to look at it from both ways. I mean, now the bullish standpoint, we could, dip down, get all the way up here. We don't have any major news today. I'm not sure that's necessarily likely. I think we're gonna be bearish, for the most part, and we could just come on down, set a Tuesday low that would go along with the week being bullish. We could come on down on Tuesday, set a Tuesday low, and then get on up. So those are things that I'm looking for. That is the liquidity that I see down inside this daily gap, and also above this swing high right here at 43.27. So those are things that we're gonna be looking for, and we'll see how it plays out, man. We got our POI set, man, on possible areas to be looking for, right? And we're also looking at that CE. All right, man. But anyway, that's it for June 6, 2023. Come back, mess with me. It's the morning draw, the drawn liquidity. Hope it helps you with your trading. Hope it helps you with your learning. That's what we're here for, so everyone can learn together and also have a little entertainment purposes, man. But anyway, trade safe, stay safe in the market, trust what you see, only trade what you see. Don't feel any fear. Hey, man, stay practicing, all right? Stay in demo. Do your thing. I'm out.